Hello, so I got Tohoshinki's Superstar Bigeast version. This is how the front looks like. And the back. I love this CD. Gosh. I love this with the bars and everything. Gosh. With the fence there behind them. I really like it. LB strip. And yeah, just the lyrics here because I don't have the Bigeast version Photobook. Still. Got everything else. So yeah. And of course, got the trading card. Allow me to show you. So back. And front. So I got Uno in this one. Absolutely love these cards. I love the fence behind them. Oh, gosh. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed. Bye.